The stream restoration is a real important element of the source water protection in Northwest Arkansas because our streams have suffered from bank erosion because of lots of different things that went on over the decades. And a lot of them don't have a healthy riparian zone anymore. The riparian zone, that area next to the stream, is real important in preventing pollution from getting into the stream. So restoring those stream banks and the stream itself to a more stable condition reduces the amount of sediment that moves down the stream and the amount of fertilizer that's attached to those sediments from the years of fertilizing the pastures and things, and just helps a lot. So that's an important part of the program. They also do, educational efforts. They reach out. They do a lot of like stream cleanups, which is real important in making people aware of our streams and the condition of our streams. That outreach is really the first thing because people have to understand that there's a potential problem before they'll really react to it.